Okay, everybody, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the remote desktop client. It's the exact same for the for the iPhone or the Android. I'm going to go to the Play Store here because I have an Android. I'm going to come up here. I'm going to look for the Microsoft Remote Desktop. That's what it looks like. I'm going to click Install and download it. This is so you can control your PC when you're away from your PC. You can turn your software off and on with your cell phone, so you don't have to be at your computer all the time. I'm gonna open it. Okay, I already have one here, but I'm gonna remove it and start from scratch. Let's just see. It's gonna come up. It's lonely here, so you're gonna click the plus sign, and you're gonna click desktop. Okay. I'm gonna add. These are some of the ones on my network right now that is actually detecting in my house. But I'm gonna add one manually. Okay. The host name is gonna be the name, the IP address that the company sent you. Okay, that's your cloud server. So you're gonna enter that in. Make sure you got it in correct. Okay, username. I'm gonna add username. Now, if you have Ionis, the username is going to be administrator, capital ADMIN, populace, administrator. Now, here's very important because a lot of times people miss this and it messes up. See how when I populated administrator, it put a space in between the cursor and the R. Well, the computer will think that's a space. So you want to back it up. See how I backed it up? All right. Now put in your password that they gave you. All right, with your software. The password they gave you when you opened up your account. Click Save. Now I'm going to do additional options because I want to give this a friendly name. So I'm going to say Show Options and Friendly Name. I'm going to call it My Remote Desktop. And what that does is that'll save it right here as My Remote Desktop. Okay. Now I'm just going to click it. It's going to ask me certificate cannot be verified. Do you want to continue anyway? I'm going to say yes. I'm going to click this button, never ask again for connections because I don't want to see that every time I hit connect. It logs me into my computer now. It's just like I'm on my desktop, right? It's just like I'm on my desktop. I can, I can come down and portrait mode and swing it around. And it shows me a little bit better. I can actually see my trades down here. Now look at the top right here. The auto trading button is off right now because I'm doing this video when the software is off. But I just take my mouse, see my mouse, and click it to turn it on, off and on like that. Okay. So when I close this software out, I want to come over here to the three symbols. Never click off the red right here. Never come over here and click the red. Don't do that because that would disconnect your software from the servers. Just hit the the triple lines right there and click the X, My Remote Desktop. Just click it off. And that's it. It goes back there. But now your software is still connected to the server. So that's how you install the remote desktop client on an Apple or an Android.